बाकी है, अभी और आसमान बाकी है. Parents, my dear friends and my guru too. Myself Tayabam from English One English Training Academy. I am here to disclose my view about a particular topic. Firstly, I am thankful to RD sir who passed me this opportunity to come here and reveal my views about a particular topic. And secondly, I am thankful for this pretty audience who gave me their valuable time. Now, let's talk about my speech. My speech name is about life. This speech is very precious for us because in this speech we will learn that which type of thing we have to include in our life, which type of thing, which type of life we should include in our life. When a person heard about the life, so he get many questions that what is life, which life I am having that is good life, which life I am having that's enough life for me, like that questions they get their mind. And some guys thought that which life I am having that is my life. And the second person thought that, oh God, why you pass me this kind of life? This life is not enough for me. I can't survive my life in a better way. I'm not satisfied from my life. This kind of vibration they gave their mind and they got negative vibration, and this is not good for us. Okay, this is not good for us. So now, before starting my speech, I want to ask one question to all: that what is life? Can anyone having this answer? What is life, guys? Who will dare? Who want to tell? They can stand up by their own.
Life.
Wow, first clap for her. Please stand up. She having the confidence. I know you are also having the confidence, but she stand up. Yeah, ma'am, please.
Life is a struggle that you have to accept it. That's my point in that I want to tell life is life, do not destroy it. That's my point.
Oh, life is beautiful but not always. It has many problems which you have to face every day. But don't worry. Though these problems will make you strong for stand alone in your future. And in this earth there is no human being who is not having experience about problems, who is not having experience about failure. But in this earth there is no human being who is rich, who is strong and who is powerful. So in the life we are having many paths, but we will decide that which path is suitable for me, which path is good for me, so can I work on that path. Okay. So life is beautiful, life is amazing and interesting, like a star on the sky. Like a star on the sky. Life is very beautiful, but no doubt life is beautiful and full of celebrations. Life is beautiful and full of celebrations. Like which kind of celebration we are celebrating? First life, when we born, when a baby took birth, so when we celebrate that birthday, wow, birthday. And the new baby came at our home and we started celebrate that function also. Then after marriage anniversary, then after birthday, many celebrations we celebrate, okay, in our life. But in our life there is some situations, situations we got in a different way. There is one situation. Be careful, because in this situation you can stuck somehow. You will not find that which type of situation going to appear in my life. You will not find that which kind of problems will about to come in my life. And when you will about to handle that situation, and when will you about to handle the situation and the person, and you able to realize that for what that person came in my life. We cannot stop to anyone to come in our life and to went from our life. We don't know that when the person can include in our life, but we know that for example, I want to tell my past story that when I was in third class, so I meet one girl. Okay, firstly I meet to her, but I don't know that in the future she will become my best friend. I don't know that firstly when I meet to her, so I thought that it's a casual meeting. Everyone meet to them, and the secondly I again meet, and then casually and gradually I meet to her, and I know about her that what is her and about the qualities of her. So we do this friendship out there. So now we are the best friend. In that time, now if I'm thinking about that past story, so I'm thinking that now how she became and how she come in my life. Sometimes what happened when a person died. So we feel very bad. We feel very bad. I want to tell that story when my granny died. She is very cheerful girl, and she is very beautiful. And she, whenever I talk to her, so she gave me she gave me the solution. And now whenever the feelingness became, and she was told to me also that you are my doiti. She was told that you are my doiti. That kind of person come in our dream and they said that we are still in your life. We are still in your life. We cannot forget them. We cannot forget them, and we cannot forget their love also. Nowadays, what happened? The people don't believe the other people. They thought that he came. Why he came? For what he came? We are not able to believe in a first way. We are not believe in a first time that she is coming, he is coming, he is good or not. What happened that when we meet to that buddy, so we thought a person who is not having that experience about that recognize the person he is good or bad. So what he do? What he have to do? He have to that first talk to that buddy. If that buddy is giving you more value, because earlier he is not giving me and now he is giving you, so ask him, ask her that why you are giving me that more value, because earlier you are not giving me that much value, and know about that reason, what he and she want from you, what he and she want from you. If the reason is good, so say that, so welcome those person in your life. If the reason is bad, so do not welcome, because our sir is also said that do not friendship with negative person, because if you will be the friend of negative person, so he will make you with her and him negative vibration, you will also become negative. Okay, so in our life we find two ways. For two person also. That first is positive and second is negative. How we recognize that who is positive, who is negative? How we will recognize? We will recognize like that. If you are saying to a person that please do that work, and he is saying you, yeah, of course I will do for you. No doubt, any situation appear, you will call me. I will attend your call in any situation. If I am also in a tragedy, I will also attend. So choose that person. Do not let that person. And the second person, who you are tell that I am in this situation, please help me. So he is saying, oh my God, why you didn't tell me yesterday? Or I am having that that kind of work. I can't do that work. And please forgive me, please. You say to that person, I can't do that work. So he is a negative vibration person. Do not accept that person. Okay? And in the last, I want to say you that पिंजरे में बंधा अजीब है इंसान. पिंजरे में बंधा अजीब है इंसान, जो घायल भी उम्मीदों से होता है और जिंदा भी उम्मीदों पर ही होता है. थैंक यू सो मच.